Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today's problem is, pointing to a photograph, John said, "He is the son of the only daughter of the father of my brother. How John is related to the man in the photograph." As usual, I recommend you to pause video here, try to solve this problem on your own first, and when you would be ready you can run video again and you can compare your answer with my answer and explanation. So let's underline every word here. So he is the son, so we can put a box here and let's put S inside for son. So he is a son, so that means that he has two parents. Every one of us has two parents. So one is a female parent and another one is male parent. So let's read the question. Of the only daughter, so let's put D here. So D stands for daughter. Of the only daughter of the father of my brother. So what does it mean? This means basically following relationship. Here we have few more people, and John should be here. John is a male, so J stands for the John, and he is a brother. So we put a B here, and father we put F here. So this is going to be a father. So let's read our question again, or statement. He is a son of the only daughter of the father of my brother. So this is what John is saying. And we have to find how John, so this person here, is related to the man in the photograph. So to this man. And it is easy to say that John is maternal uncle of this person. So the answer is D. No any other variants are possible. So again, if you see in this type of problems that the only daughter, for example, the only daughter of the father, this doesn't mean that this person is the only child in a family. It means that the only child of the female sex. But there are possible that other children of the male sex or different sex is possible in this family. So you should understand this, and then you would be able to solve this type of problems very easily. And again, when you build a pedigree of such a family, always include other relatives, like for example son of the daughter, so include also a father here and grandmother here. It would be much easier for you to understand this family relationship, though these people are even not mentioned. But if you start making lines between people without these people who are not necessary part of this picture, but still this would help us if we will build a whole pedigree to understand relationship between people. So do not invent a bicycle. Just use normal relationship with the lines between people, just like we do in any other pedigree. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any. Share this video with your classmates, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.